How to fix classic Outlook crashing with Microsoft Teams add-in in Windows 11. Hello friends, Outlook Classic might be crashing on startup with Microsoft Teams. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on Search, type Registry, click on Registry Editor, expand HKey current user by clicking on this arrow, then go to Software and expand this key, then expand Microsoft, look for Office and expand this key. Now expand Outlook and expand add-ins. Select Teams add-in.fast connect. Look for the dword value load behavior and change its value data to 0. Currently the value data of load behavior is 3. Right click on this value, select modify, change the value data to 0 and click on OK. In some cases, if the value data 0 doesn't work, then you can try changing the value data to 2 in the same way. After changing the value data to 0, close the registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting, the issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.